So continuing with Alan Eustace and his motto, "Dare to be audacious, Google." Alan has three key components that he believes really strongly about. And the first is that there's a need to connect people to a position. So each candidate is applying for a position specifically in the company. They're requesting to work in a specific place. So the idea behind this is to be able to place them in the place that best fits them as individuals and the company. So it might be not 100% of the time the position that they might have been applying for, but the position that they will be the best assets in would be where we need to connect them as recruiters. And also connecting people to a mission. So there's examples of when there's international branches and they're asked to go outside of the four walls of the company to be able to assist people around them in any needs and necessities that may be going on. Solving small issues is just being part of the purpose and the mission around them. With their personalities, with their gifts, and with their talents. Just giving back a little bit of what they've gained back to the world. And with this also, it brings forth to motivating people towards the purpose that they are called for. So knowing that every single person was born with a purpose, was born not as a casualty, but to be part of a bigger picture, that all of us together can make a big difference. But it all starts with one. It starts with one person lending a hand, with one person helping somebody out, with one person having integrity and doing the right thing, with one person doing their job correctly, with one person being an example, with one person encouraging others. It starts with one, but if we were all together working as this, it's the idea behind an individual fulfilling their purpose, but also fulfilling the purpose of the company altogether. Because the company's and the organization's purpose is also to be part of the bigger picture. And this just brings to let the candidates know that every job is a calling. So you want to make sure that everybody is aware that they, again, can make a really big difference and they are truly assets to the team. So Laszlo Bach is who I listened to in this presentation on the YouTube video, and his famous quote is, "Figure out why you are doing the work you are doing." And I thought that was very interesting. So to summarize here, I have some essentials. The first would be never to compromise. Set high standards, set high goals of who you want to recruit. And as recruiters, never settle for anything less. Know that there is a position to be filled and you want the best to fill that position. Have a hiring committee. So do away with managers having to handle this responsibility, and as a team, do the interview process, get feedback, surround yourself with that feedback and try to see who may be the best candidate, and then provide that feedback back to the management team, who will then be able to assess and make a proper decision. Use structured interviews, and this will help out for each applicant to be able to have an equal chance and an equal opportunity for this position. Give candidates a reason to join. Let them know that they have a calling, they have a purpose, and they have a mission in this life. They are meaningful and they are purposeful. They were created for something greater, and this company, this organization, is where their purpose can be fulfilled. So thank you for watching, and I hope that you enjoyed this presentation.